ladies. Hi, hi, excuse me. Can I give you $100? Here, it's for you. Come here. Fuck. Fuck it. What's up?
Me mugging this shit.
God damn. Can I give you $100? That was fucking gay. Yeah, let's go over there. Hey, excuse me. Hey, you want to ride in my Ferrari? If you want to, I mean, I'll give you a ride. God damn. No, let's go, man.
Fuck it. Whatever, dude.
Let's go, let's go. You know who's all that? Look at this guy. What are we gonna name this new guy right here? What do you think of oh shit. She's beautiful. You're beautiful. You are.
Very beautiful.
What's your name? Bonnie. My name is Preston. It's nice to meet you too. So where are you going that you're walking so fast? Can I have a conversation with you real quick?
I mean, I'm in a hurry.
Oh, no. We'll drive you there if we have to.
Yeah, except I wouldn't get in the car with you.
It's not a car, it's a van.
Well,
Wait, why wouldn't you? You have such yellow teeth.
yellow?
I'm kidding, they're beautiful.
Okay.
They're beautiful teeth.
Thank you.
Look how beautiful you are. Talk to me for a second. Come here. Come kiss me on the cheek.
What?
Come kiss me on the cheek.
No.
Why not?
No.
What do you mean, hell no? Are you married?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Fucking beautiful.
Fuck, she was hot as fuck, bro.
We are two losers
you gotta leave
right
the
now.
old ladies. See, you gotta leave the old lady and go to chicks like that.
I'm gonna have to pull money out. That's what I'm gonna. You know, I know who can help me out today.
Give her a ring.
Brianna can help me out. God, Brianna last night? Oh my god.
Yeah?
Unbelievable. What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up, man?
And now you're gonna show him. Hey, why don't you come out from your hotel room and I can pick you up? Okay, I'll see you in a second. Wait. Actually, I'll see you in like 10 minutes because we're far away. Alright, I'll see you in a second.
Beautiful
Alright, bye.
women, dude.
Now I'll go.
Where we heading now?
What's my problem with this shit? Leroy, that's your name. Leroy.
There you go. Leroy, that's what it was.
That's what I was thinking.
Maybe Leroy could pick up a chick, bro.
Maybe. Leroy's pimp, dude. You don't even know. He's a pimp ass bitch here. This fucker can probably get more ass than us. Here, look.
Yeah. Right, dog?
Leroy. I like Leroy. There's Bree just hanging out here. Brianna, come here, baby. Small world. Look at these girls over here.
That one, girl.
Yeah.
I flirted
Baby.
with those fucking hot bitches. I can't blame you. I would have done it too.
They're hot,
They
huh?
got some booty too. I see underneath that.
They don't have your booty, that's for sure. Come on in, baby. Ugh.
I was flashing people on the side of the
No, you
street.
weren't.
You didn't even see it.
Here,
You
get
the
in.
cab, guys?
You gotta
want
go
me to
around
climb
me.
all the way over here?
Yeah, you kind of have to.